is really weird. It's like you become a completely different person.
Direct hit, Commander.
Yeah! Great work, Lieutenant Kim. Bring me Admiral Lanza.
Gotcha. Star Captain Lucy Bucklehurst. I might have known.
You cannot win, Admiral. We control every quadrant in the sector. Surrender now or face the ultimate test. Death.
You'll never get away with this. We'll die before we surrender.
So be it.
I've seen her do that in class.
Must resist. Psychic brain freeze.
Oh, my only weakness! Emotions!
Take that, Bucklehurst. Take that. All of you.
What are you watching?